welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about conditional statement. So what is means of conditional statement? Means that is decision making. So decision making is the most important aspect of almost all the programming language. As the name applies, decision making, which allows us to run a particular block of code for a particular decision. Here the decisions are made on the basis of the validity of the particular conditions, and condition is the backbone of decision making. Without condition will not be able to make any decision. So in Python, decision making is performed by the following statement. So first statement is if statement. The if statement is used to test a particular condition. So if condition will be true, then it will execute the block of code, otherwise it will go outside of the block. So this definition is of if statement, and the same definition is applies to this flowchart. This is a syntax for if statement. I will show you how to write the program for if statement. So I will go to the console of Python, start a new project. Here I will write x is equal to 10 if x is greater than 5, print true. So here I have written x is equal to 10. If x will be greater than 5, then it will print true, otherwise it will go outside of the console. So I will already made that project. So p1, so here it is printing 2 because here x is greater than 5, so our condition is true. If I will make this like 4, now we'll see what will happen. It go outside of the console. So means if condition will be true, then it will execute the block of code, otherwise it will go outside of the console. Now after if statement, there will be a if else statement. So if x is equal to, let x is equal to 10, if x is greater than 5, print true, else print false. So in first program I have seen that if condition was false, then it will go outside of the console, but now it will go to the else statement if statement will be false. So now we'll run this and see what will happen. Oh, little bit error. Sorry, here I have made one mistake of quotation mark. Now it is right. So here it is printing true. Now if condition will be false, then what will happen? It is going to the else statement, which is false. So it is a if else statement in a conditional statement. Now there is a nested if else nested if else statement. So in nested if statement, else statement inside an outer if statement, means there will be a more else statement inside a if statement. Now I will show you that example, that what is the means of nested if statement. But before that I want to show you elif statement. So elif statement, what will do? So here I will write elif x is smaller than 5, print false, not valid. So now we'll see what will happen. Here is x is equal to 4. If x will be greater than 5, then it will print true, otherwise it will print false. If both will be wrong, not condition satisfied, then it will go to the else statement. Now we'll see what will be output. So here it is saying that false. Why false? Because x is, here saying if x is smaller than 5, so here x is smaller than 5, that's why it will go to this block. Now if I will put here neither greater than 5 nor greater than, not smaller than 5, then we'll see that what will happen. Now I am seeing this example by putting 0, x is equal to 0. We'll see here still printing false because x is smaller than 5. So if both condition will not be executed, then this condition will execute. So this is a elif statement. Now I will show you the whole example of if, else and elif statement. Now if we want to see the larger number of larger number between three numbers, then if else if statement will be very useful for this. So now we'll see the example of this in our tutorial. Now we are going to give you an example, simple example. On that example you will be able to understand this. Now we are going to enter a int input, enter b, c is equal to int input, enter c, enter c, enter c. Now by using if, else, if statement, we will see that which number is largest in these three numbers. So we'll use if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then it will print a is the largest number. If b is greater than a and b is greater than c, now it will print b is the largest number. And in last, we don't need to make any condition, it will directly put that else c is the largest number. Now we'll run this and see what will be the output. So here saying that enter a, with enter a, enter b, enter c. So here we are seeing that 34 is the largest number as we have done in this code. So this session was only for conditional statement. Hope you guys are able to understand all these things, all the conditional statement. if, else, elif, and nested if. So thank you for watching. In next video I am going to show you loop, that what will happen when we will use loop in Python. So we'll meet in next session. Bye bye.